Most of the people over 40, they don't know how much protein they are consuming per day. And they are wondering why the muscle disappear. And if you are doing training and strength training and still your muscle feels soft, you'll likely hit anabolic resistance. Today I am showing you the meal or breakfast which I sometimes use after my workout, which has about 60 grams of the protein, and why it's so important to take extra protein after the age of 40. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza, former scientist in area of the nutrition and skeletal research, and I've worked also over 8 years in pharmaceutical industry. In today's video, I want to share with you a breakfast which has around 60 grams of the protein and why you should increase your protein intake overall, especially after the age of 40. Therefore, if that interests you, please keep watching. To make this high protein breakfast, you need the day before prepare your chia pudding. Obviously, you need a jar, soy milk, and a bit of psyllium husk. Chia seed provide a good source of the protein and fat. Soy is good source of the protein and is very beneficial for female over age of 40s. And psyllium husk provide extra source of the fiber, is good for you. The new research suggesting if you are over age of 40 and you're physically active and you do resistance training, your body requirement is 1.6 grams to 2.2 grams of the protein per each kilograms of your body weight, which is much higher than 0.8 grams of previous recommendation. And this breakfast has around 60 grams of the protein. Therefore, it covers more than 1/3 of your body requirement with the new guideline. As you can see here, day after I add 2 tablespoons of the Greek yogurt to the bowl, followed by 1 scoop of the whey protein. That scoop is contain around 26 grams of the protein, and the combination of the Greek yogurt and that protein, they give us a complete amino acid profile necessary to reverse age-related muscle loss. Whey protein is very rich in leucine, which is amino acid essential for triggering the muscle growth, which is make it perfect for people over age of 40. And follow that, as you can observe, we add 2 tablespoons of chia seed to our mix. If you remember, we add a bit of psyllium husk. Psyllium husk gave extra fiber, is beneficial for our gut health, also helps us to lower to our cholesterol in our blood. However, if you're not using a lot of food with high fiber, maybe you want to remove it because it can cause bloating. And finally, I add some blueberry. Blueberry have a lot of vitamin C and polyphenol, which is great antioxidant, and then a bit of mixed nut, which is pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, and pine nuts, which they give extra protein and extra fiber. It's complete breakfast for people over age of 40. After using such a high protein breakfast or meal, especially after your workout, you will notice you recover much faster, your soreness is much less, and you're going to have more energy for longer, unlike when you're using high carbohydrate breakfast. Remember, healthy aging is about smart choices, about what food you're eating, are you active enough, and using science. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if that's the case, please don't forget to give a thumb up and share it with your family and friend. And if you want to see more of those kind of content, you may want to subscribe to this channel as well. In the end, I want to thank you all and wish you the best up to next video. Eat healthy, be active, and be curious. Bye for now.